was a fine evening at Czogorska Polya. Just another Bobby day, chilling balls on wet evening grass. Damn, they smell good. Wait, what's that?
Čupi, jel znaš da smo psa ubili sad? No,
Sad ti pregazio Bobija.
nemoj se smije.
This is a song for my old friend Bobby. Carried away like a moonlight shadow.
Ma ne, šta? To je to. Gorit ćeš u pake.
Bobby from Chakari. Sad je ulazi.
Ja se nadam da ne ulazi.
Neće.
Je lego i zamotao se krevet.
Da neš igrat posljednje veče Milijevo igranje. Znači što uradi?
Because he's a selfish motherfucking piece of shit.
Bobby the retard.
Judge, imaš 5 sekundi da se odlučiš, please tell me.
Evo, nastavno.
You betrayed me, Judge. You betrayed me for a fucking dog.
If it was a cat, I would understand.
Shut the fuck up, please.
If it was Monica,
Well, I don't walk with Monica at 12
A Moniku je pregazio auto.
in the fuck. Nije
Moniku je satruvala.
nije se desilo, but I don't walk with my cat in the night on Čokorska Polja.
Čokoras field.
Chokora Field. Where do you live, little nigga? On Chokora Field. He just survived cancer, and we thought he had some more years left. But a fucking some
Georgie.
fucking moron was.
Georgie had to play God.
I think it was destiny.
May he rest in peace.